Hi everyone, here we've got Honor Play 7 and let me show you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find accessibility. Now let's tap on the TalkBack option. Now it is obviously off. Before turning it on, let's manage it. Let's customize this mode. So let's tap on the settings. And as you can see here, we've got some options to customize. For example, we can set the gestures, so you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option and here you can choose something. Let's get back. What's more, you can decide if you want to feel the vibration feedback, if you want to speak the passwords. It's really up to you how you want to set it. So I will leave it like this and let me get back. In order to turn on the TalkBack, just tap on the switcher right here. Now your device is telling you that the TalkBack needs to monitor your operations, retrieve window content, turn on Explore by touch, observe the text that you type and control display magnification. So if you are ready, tap on OK. And we should hear the TalkBack. But I have no idea why it is not. Okay, now we can hear the TalkBack, and as you saw, your device has opened a tutorial, so of course you can go through it, you can learn how to use this mode, how to navigate, but now I will show you the shortcut of it, so actually how to use something or how to enter the app and how to swipe. Oh yeah, okay. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, for example, the back button, and how to get back to the previous settings. We have to tap on the button we want to use once, then we will see a green frame and of course hear the feedback, and then we will have to double tap. And as you can see, we just got back to accessibility settings. Let me get back again, for example, to the settings. And now I can show you how to swipe. You have to use two fingers to do that, this way. And it's quite easy in this model, or this way, but as you can see, it's much harder. Okay, so here we've got the basics. Of course, as I said, you can go through the tutorial and learn much more options. And now let me show you how to turn off the TalkBack. Simply tap on the accessibility and double tap. Tap on the TalkBack, double tap. Tap on the switcher, double tap. Click on OK and double tap. And as you can hear, the TalkBack is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the TalkBack mode in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.